Hey everyone, this is Willem Osich, and back in episode 47 of Boss Splash TV, I went over the value of direct mail. So now that you've sent all your mail out, what's next? That's what I'll be diving into on this week's episode of Boss Splash TV. You've successfully created a direct mail project, gathered your list of recipients, and even managed to send out all your envelopes and packages. So what are the next steps? Well, be sure that you have the right contact information for your recipients, such as their email address. Reach out to your mail recipients and ask them, hey, have you gotten my package? And if not, provide them with the mailing address you used to send the package to see if it corresponds with the recipient's actual location. Even that email follow-up can prove beneficial towards the success of the direct mail efforts, as direct mail offers a physical and tangible way to connect with people, establish relationships, and conduct business. Thank you all for watching Boss Splash TV. I'm Willem Osich.